Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm here again to show a new one. Just arrived to myself. Yesterday arrived, Saturday. So it's here, Saturday. So today I'm gonna open up and see everything. It's a M4 gun. I bought it whole set. So red dot, magazine and batteries for the gun as well. So everything ready to go, just put in apart and go to the field and play the game. And of course I got it here as well. Look this case, beautiful case, like aluminum or metal, I don't know, but it's really cool. I found it this. So it's fully loaded with BBs up to here, the top, all BBs. Nice case. I love the design, and this look like a proper army stuff to put your bullets. The way it closes is really nice, very safe and secure it as well. Very heavy, oh, heavy. And as well, if you have one of those, always when you fill your magazines or your speed loaded, BBs go all over the place. And with that one here, no way. So you got plenty space to fill your mags here or your speed loaded or whatever. I love it. Really nice. Really good. I can't wait to take this to the field and to use, of course. But let's go again to the to what is more interesting. So let's start for the small packet. Quick. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, ta-da! Red dot. This is the red dot? No, I'm confused. This is not the red dot. This is the adapter for my speed load for my other gun. I got another gun as well. It's gonna come soon, the gun. And I already bought the adapter for the gun. On the next video, I will show you the gun. It's a G608. So this is the adapter for my speed load to fill the magazines with the BB. Oh, I thought it would be the red dot. So everything, guys, is on here then. Let's go. Everything is on here. Ah, so one here. That's it. Oh, yes, red dots. That's it. Yeah, this is the red dot. That red dot for the gun is here. Really nice. So you got the settings here, you know, with the zone. Very good. I like it. I like the way it is. So you can do like scope basically, yeah. But you got your settings here. Unscrew. And here to go down or up, go down with your red dot and up, and here to go obviously left and right, up and down. No, sorry, it is up and down, and here left and right. Go up and down, and here up and down, and here left or right. So this is really cool red dot, because on my sun guns it's just the red dot, but it's those ones with the glasses. You haven't got those settings, so I like these settings, and they're really cool. And obviously this is the luminary inside. You can choose more strong, small, more bigger. Really nice, really cool feature. I like it. They come with the battery. Oh, I thought I would need to have a battery. Oh, actually this one is one small battery, very tiny one. Yeah, so they come with the battery. Really cool. Okay, one is done. Ah yes, here is the mag. The magazine is here. Oh, I love, they always give you stickers. So these stickers, I do like a lot stickers, and I like to put them on my hard cases. Those two there is a hard cases for my guns. I actually need to buy another hard case now. But I always like to put the stickers on my hard cases. So I got loads of stickers. I got stickers here, I got stickers there, I got stickers in the envelope down there. So I got plenty stickers everywhere. Stickers here. Oh my god, lot of stickers. I do like stickers. I remember when I was young, and I used to put a lot of stickers on my bike. I'm still young. Oh, good. So here is the magazines. Two is the metal ones, like metal, yeah. Mid cap, I don't like high caps. You need to like right now. I don't like them, but it's okay. So this is 150 rounds each. So there is 3 of them. So it's 3 of them here. 3 of them. Really good. Now let's go to the